Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I've got a nice 2016 Tracer Ultralight. This is a model 2850 Tracer Ultralight model 2016. So let's start in the front, and we've got a power tongue jack, auxiliary battery, and 2 propane tanks. We've got diamond plate in the front. We've got a nice pass-through storage over here. Goes all the way through. We've got a power awning in great condition. Needs a little cleaning, but no rips, no tears, anything like that. We've got outdoor speakers. We've got aluminum wheels with pretty much brand new tires. We've got a massive outdoor kitchen, guys. Nice refrigerator and a cooktop with auxiliary power and storage and light. This is the dining room slide. On the back side, we have a ladder for roof access. We have spare tire and carrier, and we have another slide. As you can see, the paint and body is in excellent condition. No delamination or anything like that. No leaks, no soft spots, and clean title, guys. Let's step inside. We've also got LED lighting for the awning as well. So as soon as we walk in, we're in the kitchen. Large counter space. This has been winterized already. Double bin sink. More storage all the way around. Plenty of storage space, guys. We've got a stainless steel microwave, hood, 3-burner stove, oven with even more storage, and a stainless steel refrigerator. This works off of electricity or propane. Freezer, good size freezer. And refrigerator. Very clean, guys. So we have our entertainment center over here. We've got Bluetooth, we've got USB, we got auxiliary. Our flat screen television is power. It will go up and down as well. This lets in plenty of natural light, guys. You've got the blinds behind it. More storage on either side, guys. And lighting all the way around. I apologize, I just don't have any power where I am right now. It's being used up. I love the U-shaped dinette. This also turns into a sleeper as well. Look at all of this storage space. Plenty of storage and closet space, guys. Storage for days. So this turns into a sleeper. I'm a sucker for U-shape. So as you can see, there is some wear, some flaking on the interior. Unfortunately, pretty common. But everything else is in excellent condition. Let's move into the back, into the bedroom. You've got a sliding door here. Queen size bed with storage underneath. More lighting on either side. Storage all the way around. We've got another flat screen television mount and another large closet. Plenty of space, guys. I love the storage in this thing. With drawers down below. And again, oh, this is 30 amp power, so we've got an ice cold rooftop AC, commode, shower with glass door, vanity, a lot of counter space, power roof vent, and everything, guys. So this is a very, very nice unit, very clean, very solid, guys. Again, my name is Chris, CGM Auto Brokers, and I can be reached directly 704-620-8388. That's 704-620-8388. Come see us in person at 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. You can also visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Shoot us an email as well, cgmautobrokers@gmail.com. Guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. Go ahead and comment on it. It helps the algorithm for us, and we'll answer any questions you may have. We offer transport and delivery, and we also help with financing as well. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. But guys, remember, most importantly, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching. God bless.